Welcome to the brand new episode of Satymevajayate, Sloka International School, Cambridge, a platform which is designed to discuss and provide a possible solution to the issues that are prevailing around the world. For today's episode, we have Master Sufyan of Stage 9 to share his views. Welcome, Mr. Sufyan.
Thank you.
Welcome to the show. Please have a seat. Sufyan, can you please brief us about the topic that you have chosen?
The topic that I have chosen is usage of mobile phones by the students at home. Mobile can replace laptops by providing free education and information. They can be used to capture pictures and videos so that students can remember material more easily.
So, Sufyan, on a daily basis, how much time are you spending on mobile phone?
Just a couple of hours.
What are the different applications that you indulge on mobile phone?
I usually watch YouTube, listen to music and read books and do my research work.
What is the biggest advantage of using mobile phones?
The biggest advantage is easy access to information and being connected with everyone.
Sufyan, there are a set of people who says that technology helps, and there are also a set of people who says that it hinders the focus of students on studies. What do you have to say about this?
I agree on both, ma'am. It depends on how we use it. If we are using it in a good way, technology helps us. And if we use it in a wrong way, it hinders the focus of the students.
How do you think mobile technology has affected your generation's ability to communicate face to face?
I agree. There are students who are not communicating face to face. But the ability is lost when you are using mobile phone in a wrong way.
Sufyan, parents are worried about the excessive use of mobile phones at home. What is your take on that?
Again, I have to talk about using the technology in a right way and wrong way. The parents who are saying so are not focusing on the screen time of children.
Do you want to say something in conclusion?
Usage of mobile phone is justified only when students are using it in the right way, under the parental guidance.
Thank you, Sufyan, for sharing your thoughts and views on the usage of mobile phones at home. Thank you everyone for joining us on Sloka Satymevjayate.